It's a slow cooker day, and tonight we will be having a shipwreck casserole. This is a great way to use vegetables. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make this shipwreck casserole in the Crockpot. I really enjoyed making this shipwreck casserole. It's loaded with layer upon layer of textures, a definite shipwreck of flavors. Now is a great time to use those vegetables in the refrigerator. Most of these ingredients you probably already have on hand. The key to this recipe is placing the ingredients in layers and in the order that I have listed in the recipe. As it cooks, each ingredient releases their flavors into the casserole. You want to oil or spray the inside of your slow cooker. On the bottom, I'm placing some sliced onions. Then a layer of sliced potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes and I've left the skins on. I have some carrots and celery I need to use. Next is the ground beef. I have about a pound here, and I'm also going to season the top with some salt, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Try to choose a lean beef as this is going in raw. This is 1 cup of rinsed and drained white rice. And finally, this is a large can of tomato sauce. You can also use crushed or diced tomatoes. And that's it. Cover and cook on high for 4 hours or on the low setting for 7 to 8 hours. It's been 4 hours. I'm turning my heat off and letting that set for 15 minutes before digging in. As you can see, there is a lot of food and flavors here. This shipwreck casserole will feed a hungry crowd. Of course, you can use the vegetables that you like. I really enjoy using cabbage, corn, or peas. You can taste the individual layers, and they also produce a delicious sauce to spoon over the top. This casserole really reheats well and is one of those dishes that seems to taste better the next day. I hope you give this slow cooker shipwreck casserole a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!